Hi everyone, today I wanted to give you guys some going out outfit inspo. This first outfit, my sweater's from Everlane. I have a little thrifted dress on, these amazing boots from Aloha's, and then I forget where this purse is from, but I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. I promise I'm trying to get better with that. This outfit could definitely be warmed up with some tights or a jacket, but I don't know, freezing out at night is part of the experience of going out, to me. And going out in cooler months, I always try and get away with wearing skirts and dresses exposing my legs. And after a hibernation, the only razor that can cut through no problem is from Athena Club, which happens to be today's sponsor. So thank you so much to Athena Club for sponsoring this video. I would get so fed up with my old dull razors clogging up and ending up nicking my skin. It'd make me not want to go out altogether. The combination of Athena Club's razor and the Cloud Shave Foam makes my skin so soft and hydrated. It's the perfect accessory to any outfit. Athena Club razor blades are amazing because they're surrounded by a water-activated shea butter and hyaluronic acid serum. The Athena Club razor kit is only $9 and comes with 2 blade heads, a magnetic hook for shower storage, and your choice of handle color. I love that I don't have to think about running to the store or running out for extra blade heads. I chose the option that let me get each blade head for just $2.25. Athena Club products are vegan and cruelty-free, and their razors and products are sustainable and made with clean ingredients. So if you want to check out Athena Club, sign up today and you'll get 20% off your first order. Just go to athenaclub.com and use the promo code Lainey. And on to the next outfit. This one is super basic, but sometimes they're just so good. This bomber is thrifted. I don't know the brand, but I can link it below. This little tube top corset type deal is from White Box Boutique. It's my friend's and my go-to going out top. My jeans are Everlane, my favorite jeans ever, and these shoes are Steve Madden, and this scarf I think is H&M, but it's old. If you just search thick scarf, so many of these kind come up, like the Acne Studio dupes. Just use Google, you guys. You can do it. This next outfit is a little more dressy. I recently got this dress for a wedding rehearsal dinner. It's from For Love and Lemons. They're having a sale right now, so make sure to check them out. I'm wearing the same leather bomber as before, just to dress it down a bit. I've got these Gucci tights on, I know, so bougie, and these boots from Steve Madden. Tights and boots can make your legs so much warmer and actually bearable. I like to make sure my legs are still shaved even with tights on, because sometimes when they poke out, it's just even worse. Next, this outfit I thought was really fun. I have this thrifted vintage dress, and I never really know how to style it, but I like kind of mixing it with an edgier look. I've got the same Gucci tights on, and then these amazing boots from Jeffrey Campbell. They aren't on the website anymore, but they're fairly new. I got mine off Poshmark, so I bet you can find them. I'll have the name linked down below. And then to make it really edgy, I added that leather bomber again. And then here I just took off the tights and went for a different approach with this cheetah fur jacket, and I think that this is really, really cute too. I love the juxtaposition between the leather and the lace, or the cheetah and the lace. It kind of feels like rocker chic. Next, this is a really basic going outfit, but things are basic for a reason, normally because they work. This is a leather blazer that I thrifted a couple winters ago. I just have a little black dress under it, and then the same Steve Madden boots. This is super simple, but so chic and effortless, and then I added that big scarf on top again. I think that this looks really, really cute. And then here is another take on that look, same leather blazer and dress underneath, but I added this wide leather belt to cinch in my waist and make it a bit more feminine. And because it makes it a little bit shorter, I decided to add those tights on again, and then I kept the same boots. I really like to show you guys outfits that are pretty similar or using the same items because that's how I normally get dressed. I don't use 100 pieces when I get dressed. So I hope that these don't feel repetitive, but honestly, I'd wear these all these different ways. And then here's another take on that look. I'm using the cheetah jacket again, and I put a regular belt around the waist to cinch it in. Everything is the same underneath, but this belt is actually my brother's, and instead of using a hook because it would be too big around my waist, I just fold it through and pull, and then it stays. It's just a leather belt. It'll work. Then this outfit is so freaking cute. This vest is thrifted. My pants are Revolt denim, I'm pretty sure. I got them off eBay or Depop a while ago. And then I'm wearing those same Steve Madden heels. They're basically a dupe for the YSL ones, but I've had them for a while, so I don't know if they're still on the site. And then this is my mom's jacket she got like 30 years ago from TJ Maxx, and it's my favorite thing ever. Next, I really thought I was going to hate this outfit, but I love it. This corset bustier top is thrifted. These Guess jeans are thrifted. They're a little bit tighter, which I didn't think I'd like, but they're so freaking flattering that it doesn't matter if they're more mom jeany and not so wide leg, which I normally like. And then the same shoes. Honestly, these shoes are really, really comfy. That's why I keep wearing them. And I know they don't look comfortable, but I could last days in them. And then I'm wearing the leather blazer again. But honestly, I think if I were to wear this, I'd put on the leather bomber to dress it down a bit. But I wanted to switch it up. Then this outfit is super chill, effortless, but you look so cool. I've got these leather IMG pants that are a few years old, the same Steve Madden shoes, this graphic tee that says Texas Prison Rodeo, and then the cheetah jacket. This feels like something from the show Nana, and that Nana would wear, if you know what I'm talking about. That's good. If you don't, that's okay. And whenever I see girls with like a graphic tee at the bar and dressing it up, they look so cute. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out Athena Club and use my code LANEY for 20% off. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.